Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you some very good facial yoga. So let's get started. The very first facial yoga the name is Kiss the Ceiling. What you have to do is you have to look up in the ceiling and you have to make a tight pout like this, and you have to kiss for at least 10 times like this. After doing this for the 10 times, you have to again make a tight pout like this. Make sure when you are making a pout, your skin should be tight. You should feel the stretch on your skin. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to make a pout and hold it for a 30 seconds and then release it after a final kiss like this. The second exercise is, what you have to do is, for the fine lines, you have to just above 1 inch above the eyebrow with your first finger, you have to press from the center. You have to just stretch your skin like this. It will stimulate blood circulation and it will help you relax your mind like this. This also you have to do for the 10 times. The third exercise is again for the lines, the fine lines or wrinkles which you get on the forehead. So what you have to do with your 4 fingers and with this part of your finger, you have to, with the center, you have to just stretch your skin like this. Make sure you give a little pressure. Do it with little pressure. This also you have to do it for 10 times. Now the fourth exercise is for the under eyes. You have puffiness under your eyes. So what you have to do is, with your first finger, just that skin from the inside corner of the eyes, you have to stretch your skin like this. This also you have to do for at least 10 times. Now the next two exercises for the blood circulation on your skin, on your cheeks. So what you have to do is you have to pinch in a circular motion on your skin, on your cheeks like this. You have to use a little pressure. You should feel that something is happening on your cheeks. Pinch like this. You have to do this for at least 1 minute. The next exercise is also for the blood circulation as well on your cheeks. What you have to do is you have to fill your mouth with the air like this. After this, with your fingers, you have to give a massage like this. This also you have to do for 1 minute and in a circular motion. These two exercises will help you improve your blood circulation and which will improve your glow on your skin as well. Those who have pigmentations or chubby skins can practice this. Okay. The next exercise is for this part, this loosened skin part. So what you have to do is, with your tongue, you have to stretch your skin, this part. Like this. This also have to do for 10 counts. The next one is you have to make a tight pout like this, and you have to stretch your loose skin back. And hold it for at least 30 to 40 seconds. Do this for at least 2 rounds for 30 to 40 seconds each. It is a very effective exercise. The next one is you have to make a pucker face like this. You have to tuck this part under your mouth like this. And in this posture, what you have to do, you have to smile. You have to try to smile. So you will feel the stretch on your cheeks area, the chubbiness on your cheeks. Now the next exercises are for your double chin. What you have to do is you have to look up like this You will feel the stretch in your double chin area, and with your mouth you have to move your mouth little like this, like this. So you will feel the stretch under your chin area. This also you have to do for at least 10 to 15 counts. The next one exercise is also for your double chin. What you have to do is, between your collarbones there is a blank area here. With your finger you have to press that area like this, and you have to look up and hold it. You'll feel the stretch, your muscles, this skin, extra skin is stretching. You'll feel the stretch. Then slowly come down, then again up. So this also you have to do for at least 3 to 4 rounds of 10 to 15 seconds each. So these were some very good and basic facial yoga exercises. You can practice this at least 2 times in a day, maybe for one in the morning and maybe one in the night before going to bed, or whenever you get a time you can practice. There is no such restrictions, but it will give you a great effect if you practice in the morning after waking up and in the night before sleeping. So please, guys, practice these exercises and let me know the result in the comments below. And if you really like my video, please do subscribe my channel for more such updates. Thank you. See ya.